Subscribers today, I will tell how you can easily fix your problem on your Instagram. So if you see try again later problem, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just close your Instagram app and just open again. So after, you just need to go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open and check if you have internet connection. So also you can try to turn it off and turn on again. After, just open cellular data, just turn off and turn on again your cellular data. So turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try another way. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and it will successfully update your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.